You know that sinking feeling when your car suddenly feels sluggish, almost like it is dragging an anchor, and then that dreaded amber check engine light pops onto your dashboard? It is frustrating, but do not panic just yet, because today we are going to get to the bottom of a specific trouble code that might be the culprit. We are talking about code P003F, which technically stands for Camshaft Profile Control Circuit Stuck on Bank 2. Now, I know that sounds like a mouthful of engineering jargon, so let's break it down into plain English. Your engine uses a camshaft to open and close the valves that let air in and exhaust out. In modern engines, especially ones from manufacturers like Volvo, Ford, or Audi, these camshafts are incredibly high-tech. They do not just have one shape or profile. They can actually change their shape mechanically while you drive. Think of it like a runner changing their stride. Short steps for jogging, long strides for sprinting. This code means the computer has tried to tell the camshaft to change its profile to get you more power or better fuel economy, but the mechanism is physically stuck on Bank 2. Bank 2 just refers to the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, so you'll want to check your service manual to see which side that is on your specific V6 or V8. Why does this happen? Honestly, the most common killer here is your engine oil. These systems rely on oil pressure to physically move metal pins and lock the camshaft into a new profile. If your oil is dirty, full of sludge, or even just the wrong thickness, that mechanism can jam. It is absolutely critical that you are using the exact viscosity the manufacturer recommends. If they say 5W30, do not use 10W40 just because it was on sale. The first thing you need to do is pop the hood and check that oil. If it looks like black coffee or feels gritty, change it immediately. If the oil is fine, you need to look at the wiring going to the solenoid on Bank 2. These wires vibrate constantly, and it is very common for a connector to wiggle loose or a wire to break inside the insulation. Grab a can of electrical contact cleaner and clean those pins out. While this is listed as a medium severity issue, do not ignore it. It involves the internal timing of your engine, and if you let it go too long, you could be looking at a much more expensive repair bill than just an oil change or a solenoid swap.